Good morning vlog. It's about 10:20 in the morning and I'm headed to get some stuff. So let's see how that works out, and then I'm gonna go home and get some work done because I have a lot of work to do, and then I need to finish off some work before tomorrow. So you'll know what's tomorrow. Alright, so I'm gonna head there. $12 rolls. No. I need kitchen roll. Yep, that's it. We got it. Alright, so it's, what time is it? It's 10:46. I have some homework. I know, boring. I have some homework to finish off, so I'll do that. Then I have to upload yesterday's vlog, and then I have to and then I have to give you guys a house tour. Alright, so seems like I'm gonna take a break. I was doing some economics homework. It's been only one day since my break and I'm already on work. Why? But yeah, I think economics work is done. I'm gonna go get something to eat. What time is it? It's like 12:15, so I'm gonna go get something to eat and then I'll give you guys a house tour later on. Alright, so you might be able to hear a song because I'm working and I'm listening to songs. Let me give you a little view as to what's going on. So I'm basically screening my laptop on... Yep, I'm screening my laptop on Chromecast, because, I don't know, I'm bored. So I'm gonna have to delay the house tour because I have to finish off with this. I didn't get anything done. I just sat and watched YouTube. So I think I'm gonna have to work, and then I'll delay. I'll go to the gym or I'll go for a swim in the evening, and then we'll see. Alright, so welcome you guys to my house, and I'll show you guys what it's like here. So basically we have the old newspaper / shoes. This is the shoe cabinet. We have the table. I don't sit here very much. I prefer to sit here. It's my favorite chair. Oh wait, there's not a lot. Alright, I like sitting here or downstairs or below, so I can, I don't know, keep my food at the table. That's my that's my favorite spot, because it's like right in front of the TV. I know I sound like Sheldon Cooper. My laptop's right there. Wait. Alright, my laptop's right there. The kitchen's right here, so right in front of the exit of the door, the entrance, we have the kitchen with this little thing in between. That's the water. That's our fridge. I know we don't have as many magnets as maybe others do. So we have the main shelf, and then there is the back one. That's a microwave. We have some food here, some snacks, some bread, Milo, pickle. Let's see what else we got. We have... Oh wait, we have the Starbucks cup. That's my cup actually. We have the Ishmael bottle. We have some juice. We have a National Geographic bottle. And we have some food as well actually. I still have to have lunch. Alright, so this is the living room and kitchen. That's our TV though. I'm Chromecasting as I showed before. Now, the moment you enter, this is my room here. So that's the first one. I know, it looks amazing. So a lot of you who have watched the live stream keep asking me why do I have 2 beds. That's because the landlord has 2 kids, and both of them were supposed to get this room. So I sleep on this one, but I don't use the other one. We sometimes use it though, but for keeping stuff. So that one, not very much useful. This one, my school bag. We have my study table. See, you can see that there's one chair here and then the other one's there, right? That's because they were supposed to be 2 kids, but I just used this one. and then just, this is my space, and this is where I do all my videos, my work, study, live streaming. I do everything here. This is my bathroom. Pretty good for me, actually. We have the mirror. There's some deo. There's some shampoos and stuff. We have the toilet, and then that's the shower. It's pretty basic, but that does the job for me. I don't need a fancy bathtub though. I don't want one. This is the other one, the third bathroom as we call it. So the shower and stuff. There's the toilet. We have the mirror here again with a lot of shaving and cream shaving stuff. So that my dad uses this place. That's my trimmer actually. Alright, so we have the bathroom. Now this, normally we don't use this, guests do. This is the guest room, or as we call it, the third/work room. So that sits there. That's his favorite workplace. He'll set up his whole office here. I sit there. And then normally this is how we spend our Saturdays and Sunday mornings, you know. Him there, me at the corner, mom here with the AC on. We just sit here and relax. Our normal, we don't use the bed very much. Now this is my parents' room. We have the bed. Then we have the TV. The TV doesn't work, I don't know why, but something's wrong with it. There's a sewing machine. There's our photo from Singapore. There's the Ishmael stuff. There's like an instant Vietnamese book. There's a clock. And then there's a big walk-in closet. Wait, right there. So that's the walk-in closet with the whole thing. As you can see, you know, the whole thing. Yeah, quite a lot of stuff. This is their bathroom. There's like some stuff in there. I don't know what's in here. Nothing, it's empty. And then there's the bathtub. The 5x mirror. Whoa. Oh, I should use this actually. Alright, so this seems like a really small tour of the house. I'll give you a little view for the balconies. You know. So basically we have two balconies. One, the one in my room, which is this. It's enormous. It's a good place to the clothes dry here. And it's a good view, and it's really, really windy. So basically the wind enters from here, as far as we've noticed. Oh wait, I forgot to show you this. That's a little me. Yay. I know, that's me from like about 8 years ago. And then that's also me. Yeah, this is me from 2002, I think, when I was like a year old. I'm born 2001, so yeah, a year old, I would say. Oh, wait, I forgot to show you my favorite things. My Lego blocks. Well, this isn't actual Lego, but my blocks. When I have nothing to do and I don't want to do anything either, I sit and play with these. There's like my encyclopedias. There's a marketing book, encyclopedias, books, encyclopedias. A huge bunch of encyclopedias here. This one, that's my headphone box. This is my kit. I broke my selfie stick. I don't know what I was doing. I broke it during the prom. I broke that. And I have this, the one that I use for my live streams. And then I have a wide angle lens. That's all I have. That's all the kit I use. Then let me show you guys the other balcony. So basically, the wind in this house is way, like, a lot. So we have this balcony, which is in the main living room. It's good. It's almost the same size, but it gives a different view. So we can see that, alright, so BIS is there. That's the main Anfu Road. So if you look at that at 8 o'clock in the morning, it's gonna be jam-packed. Yeah, but it's a different view. You can see the river. There's not much else to see. There's like a tennis court down there. So basically, the wind crosses from here all the way to my room, through my room, and it gets really windy sometimes. So the fridge magnet falls off, and then things start flying around like in my room. See, I can't hold this straight. See, look at my hair, right? It's really windy, but yeah, that concludes the house tour. Ow. Alright, so that concludes the house tour. But we'll go down and we'll see. I'll show you guys around the gym. Most probably I'll go early today than yesterday, and we'll most probably also, I might as well go swimming, so I'll show you guys that place. Alright, so it looks like I'm not gonna go swimming. It's like 5:40 right now, and I'm not gonna go swimming because my nose is a little runny and it's not cooperating especially. So I'm just gonna go to the gym again, and I think it's gonna rain, so I don't want to go swimming and then get sick. Plus, I don't know. Alright, so most probably what I'm gonna do is I'll go at around 6:37 maybe, and then we'll see what happens for about an hour or so. But yeah, that's it, it looks like. Alright, now it's about 6:15. It started raining as I expected it to. So basically I'm just gonna go to the gym at around 6:30, and for now I'm gonna make tea. So anybody who likes Indian chai tea, this is the brand, right? This is the thing you should be going for. Girnar. It's basically a ready-made mix. So I'm gonna show you guys how to make this. It's a pretty simple thing to do. It's like making green tea, kind of. But let's see if there's hot water in the kettle. No. Alright, so get some hot water. Now, do remember that these packets, I don't know where you can get them in Vietnam, but we get them from India. Alright, so it's basically simple. You just cut it and then you put it. This is what the box looks like. There are different flavors. So this is ginger. This is the masala chai, which is like other things. This is the ginger one, my favorite, but it's over for now. So let's see if we can get a cup. Aha! Alright, get a cup. Get this. Heat up your water. And it's pretty simple. So you just, it's like a ready-made mix, so you don't have to do much. If you hear a lot of rumbling kind of, that's because there's construction and there's a kettle right next to the phone. Alright, so we have this. We have this. The ready-made mix. Pretty simple. Now we're gonna wait. Alright, so almost done with the kettle. I'm just gonna turn the light on. Alright, that should be good. Hot water, and I got a spoon. Alright, it's off. And it's pretty hot, so pour it as quickly. Alright, I think that should be good enough. Alright, so these premixes are... So these premixes are single serve, so 1 cup per premix sachet. It's pretty simple. I'm just gonna stir this up. It looks like a legitimate chai tea. So I'm just gonna sit and enjoy this, and then I'm gonna go to the gym. Alright, so as usual, I've taken my break in the gym. I think that's it for the day. I'm just gonna finish up the gym, go home, get shower, have dinner, and then do some research and then work. So I think that's it. So I think I'm just gonna end the vlog right here. And thanks a lot for watching this vlog. Make sure to check out my channel for tomorrow's vlog, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.